factor tree of 310. So 310, it can be written as 2 times 155. 2 times 155 means 310. So 155, it can be written as 5 times 31. 5 times 31 means 155. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 5 and 31. So we can write 310 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 5 times 31. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.